Hello and welcome back everyone. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can make calls on the web browser using WhatsApp web feature. First of all, you must have installed WhatsApp account on your Windows. Okay, I have already installed my WhatsApp, so I'm just going to open my WhatsApp account, and here you can see this kind of interface when you have already installed and log into your WhatsApp web account. After logging into your account, you can use the simply call feature. These two buttons will show up here in the chat. The first one is for the audio call and the other one is for a video call. So I'm going to show you how you can make an audio call using WhatsApp web. So this is my WhatsApp web account. Now I'm going to just click on this video call button and it will make a voice call to one of my contacts. Okay, so it's now making a call, and as you can see that it's ringing on the other side of the other phone of a friend of mine. So it's just ringing, and let's see if he picks up the call. So as you can see that he has picked up my call, so that's why it's showing the time. So if you want to share screen, you can share your screen as well as you can add more people to your call, and you can also raise your hand during your voice call.